Lithium trim serum. Oh my word, I can't believe I messed it up. Ultra premium elixirs. All right, so this is $36.99 on Amazon. Hi, I'm Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. I'm going to give you a first impression of, I haven't used it, I just opened it. Lithium trim serum. On the directions it says wash surface, which I did. There's nothing on here. We got alcohol right here diluted. We washed it, pour serum onto a clean microfiber cloth and applicator. So we're gonna use some alcohol really quick, make sure the panel is clean, and then we're gonna apply it. It's pretty simple. So you apply it, and then it said for older plastics to let it sit for a minute. So that makes sense because plastic's porous, right? Says that it protects against UV rays. So there you go, we can see our clean surface. We're only gonna do it about right here. I know our lighting's kind of going away, but I'm gonna bring y'all in the best I can. So like I said, you can use it on rubber, bring it back to life, keep it healthy. Countless tries, and they got us a baseline. All right, so they says it restores it to the original color, formulated to outlast all the others, protects you against UV rays, and the soulmate of all rubbers. It's purple like my super clean shirt. So anyways, all right, so it looks pretty, I would say syrup. If syrup was clear, yeah, there we go. I got a little bit, poked a hole in it. Okay, so if syrup was clear, I would say, hold on, told you this is a brand new bottle, just opened it. If syrup was clear, this is what I would say. Y'all can kind of see the consistency. Maybe y'all can see that gel, it's pretty thick actually. So I would refer it as clear maple syrup. Okay, so we're gonna put this on, it has a nice little cap on there, and then it's got a little dab hole. So we're gonna use our clean microfiber. We're gonna use a little bit, I don't know how much to use because it's the first time, and then we're gonna rub on. All right, so here we go. If y'all can get a good look, and applying. So easy to apply, definitely. Didn't hear anything about taping off the surface or anything. So I mean, I bet this would probably give a few months. That's just my opinion, just kind of how it's easy to apply. But I mean, looks like it's taking the oxidation away. I'm rubbing in and just making sure. Okay, we're gonna go there, and then yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm not feeling anything. It went straight into it, so yeah, wow, that's cool. Here, let me get this light going, and then we'll be able to catch it 50-50. Lithium trim serum. Very cool, $36.99. All right, so here we go, and then we stop right here. I'm not all about the 50-50, but sometimes you kind of need to see it, what's going on. Protects against the UV. Readily available at Amazon, so I mean, hey, if you need something on Amazon, this might be for you. I don't know. So yeah, I think that's kind of a good first look at it. We'll see how long it lasts on my wife's Sequoia, so we'll be able to kind of see how it goes from here. I will apply the rest of it, but we'll just kind of see what it does. So anyways, lithium trim serum. I'm Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. I love y'all. Keep it simple. Wash your hands. I'll see you next time. Love y'all. Bye.